In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can bioscan the toxic sponge here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're starting at your life pod, you can actually just head east or really even kind of like southeast. You're going to see a little cave right here. This is actually where that toxic sponge is going to be located. So make your way in here. As soon as you start getting close, you're going to notice it's going to start shooting off some stuff. Go ahead and just narrowly avoid that real quick. But you're going to see it's going to attack, and it's going to attack pretty frequently. The way to go ahead and do this is make sure that your scanner is ready. Go ahead and get close. It's going to shoot out its toxic. Essentially wait for it to stop and then get in real quick, and that's when you want to go ahead and scan it. Now it recharges pretty quickly. However, if you're already in the range, you have a decent amount of time before it comes back out. But essentially that is the full process right here. This entire cave is filled with them, so I wouldn't go too deep, so just keep that in mind. But there is some other stuff in here as well that is worth. But that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.